Hello guys, this is Shantani. Welcome back to the channel. I am beyond excited about today's challenge / makeup tutorial video. I got so many positive feedbacks after I recreated the look of Deepika Padukone from Met Gala 2019. I will give the link below just in case you missed it. I just decided to jump on the second challenge, which is again Deepika Padukone, but this time from Cannes Film Festival 2019. So what do you think? Should I try?
No.
Relax guys, it's not a sin. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before your way out so that you won't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So just sit back, relax and watch. To moisturize my face, I used Hard Candy Glow All The Way Doll Face as a primer. It has 24 karat gold, so it gives you a natural shine. For color correction, I used L'Oreal 425 Always Apricot lipstick, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover all my dark circles and visible pigments on my face. After that, I will take Revlon Photo Ready Color Correction and cover the spots I just colored orange, and then I'm gonna blend it with my finger. This tape is not necessary, but I think that will cover the dark spots nicely. Then I applied Napoleon PERDIS Propalette Concealers with a MAC 242 SE brush. I'm using this concealer to highlight my whole face. So I am covering my dark circles under my eyebrows, my nose, chin, jawlines, and last but not least my forehead. To contour my face, I am using Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour number 805, and to blend the whole thing, I am using my makeup sponge. Here the trick is, don't mix these two colors, otherwise you will have patches all over your face. If you are using one beauty sponge like me, then blend the highlighter first and then the contour, and of course you want to wet your sponge before using. For foundation, I chose Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup SPF 20. This shade is 1 to 2 shades lighter than mine. I am using same wet sponge and blending, or maybe it's right to say tabbing my whole face and neck. At this point, it might look like all your hard work, your contour just disappeared, but hang in there, it is there, and your contour will look even better blended. Then setting everything with powder to prevent it from creasing, I'm using Airspun Loose Base Powder. To draw my eyebrow, I'm gonna use this drawing eyebrow from North Shore. I think it's a Korean brand. I'm not sure at all. If you know about it, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. It's a light brown color, and I'm drawing without pressing the pencil with too much pressure. To keep the brow in place for a long time, I'm gonna apply e.l.f. transparent eyebrow mascara, and it works pretty well. It is important to create a base for eyeshadow, so I'm going to use Wet n Wild Concealer number 809 to cover the whole eyelid with the help of MAC 242 SE brush, and to prevent it from creasing, I will apply same loose powder on it. Then I will take an eyeshadow brush from Olivia Grace and use this matte light brown color from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply it from crease to brow bone area, and it will just help blend the darker color I will put over it. Then I'm gonna take even darker brown from the same palette and blend it upwards and out to pull the eye. I will tab and rotate gently so the colors blend nicely together. Now to highlight the eyelids, I am gonna take this gold shade from the same palette and dab on my eyelids. Then I will take this light shimmery pink color and highlight under my brows and inner corner of my eyes. To To draw this special drag queen like wing for this very special look, I'm gonna use L'Oreal 710 Black Noir liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna wing out my lid first, and from there I'm gonna kind of measure where to go, if that makes sense. Off camera I did one eye, and now I will show you how. I will take an angular eyeliner brush from Olivia Grace and this brown color from the same palette and draw under my waterline. Then I will take MAC 224 SE brush and blend it nicely. After that I'm gonna grab my eyeliner and wing out my lid first. When the wing looks good enough, I will gradually cover the middle and inner lid. Then I need to measure where the inner corner wing will end, and I will start that inner wing from that point inward. Once I'm done, I'm gonna fill that up with the liner, and to cover the inner rim, I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Smoky Gel Eye Pencil. Then I will take the black eyeshadow from the same palette and cover the liner with the same angular eyeliner brush, which is from Olivia Grace. Before applying mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes with a curler. Now I will take my Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara and apply on my upper and lower lashes. It's time for the falsies. I am using my favorite Nepoleon PERDIS one, and to attach them I am using Duo Clear Adhesive. Now my eye makeup is done. I'm gonna clean up my face with this e.l.f. Total Face Brush just in case there are some residue. To contour, I'm gonna take this COVERGIL TRUblend 6 powder, and using this MAC 129 SE brush, I'm gonna blend it kind of upwards. Then I will take this blending brush from Olivia Grace and contour my nose with the same powder. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take this AVON blush and this beautiful coral shade. You can see how much I used it. I love this product. Applying a little bit on my nose, my chin. Okay, now the moment Ranveer and we both were waiting for, the bling bling. I am using Physicians Formula Powder Palette to highlight my face. Oh my god, it's so perfect. I'm glowing. Camera is not doing the justice, girls. My skin looks like a wet glass. I will give you the name of all the products I used for this tutorial in the description box below. To draw my lips, I am using Maybelline 50 Red Lip Liner, and I will kind of just follow my natural lip. Once I am done, I'm gonna take Revlon 535 RUM RAISIN lipstick and apply it with a small lip brush. After that, I will take my favorite Napoleon PERDIS Luminous Lip Veil, and the shade is Sienna Shimmer, and apply small amount at a time. So my whole face is done. The only thing left is to protect the makeup I just did. So I will be using Maybelline MASTERfix Setting Spray. The hair was very tricky for me as I have small hair. I'm gonna apply some Pantene hairspray and brush my hair as tightly as possible so that it looks neat. Now I will tie my hair and make a knot like this. Now I will take this hair extension and wrap it around my tiny ponytail. And it should look like this. After that, I will take a ponytail hair extension and wear it on top of it. I took another one and repeat the process. At Cannes Film Festival, the makeup artist wrapped Deepika's hair with a long leather ribbon. If that's handy for you, just go for it. It's easier than using 50,000 hair extension, which I'm doing right now. My head became really heavy, but I think the final look came pretty close to Deepika's hair. I think my favorite part of this entire video was this drag queen like look and of course recreating the whole look of Deepika Padukone from Cannes Film Festival 2019. So definitely let me know in the comments down below which part surprised you the most, which part did you like the most, which part did you hate the most. Let me know the comments down below, and please also let me know your favorite actress or actresses and whom should I try next time. If you enjoyed watching this video and you wanna see me to do this often, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.